YouTube, Dorito here with
Captain America.
Yep, and here we are today
with a special edition for you.
Go ahead.
We got the Tao Tao Boulder B1 people in the Spider-Man edition, people. For our good buddy Spider-Man, we're doing a build just for my good buddy Spider-Man. So maybe he'll even drop by and pick it up himself. No, I don't think so either.
Yeah, no.
But hey, it's our Spider-Man edition with Captain America, Chip, and Bucky. So stay tuned.
Captain America and Bucky.
Right? We're going to have a lot of fun with this one, people. So stay tuned.
Let's get on with it.
Shall we? Don't hit me there. Why do you keep hitting me?
You're a superhero.
Look, I'm glad we've got this on video. Because a lot like a certain Hollywood producer, he's been abusing me. So we got this on film. Wait, don't come over here.
Don't come over
Come on,
here.
Captain America. Anyways, let's get on with it.
Shall we?
Yes, let's.
Help, Bucky!
Minutes to fully assemble this beast and get your little Captain America
Or Spider-Man.
or your little spider, your little Spidey guy out on the plains, in the desert, in the mountains, wherever you want to take your little Spidey guy. So this is pretty easy, straightforward stuff, people. It's like a mini version of the Sheeta.
Yeah.
How many S's are in Sheeta? I'm not in a great shape as I was when I was a younger America.
Well, that's because you got Bucky now.
Well,
You found him.
you know, Bucky takes a lot of strain off me, you know.
You got these zip ties.
I know zip tiger, go down, draggle, you know, sometimes go straight, sometimes precious. She get a little crazy. Go sideways. Sorry, precious.
So what you want to do is you want to get your 10mm bolts, and that's going to be for your rack.
Nice rack!
Going to go on the back.
The back of the rack.
The back of the rack.
Don't talk back.
Which you have 4 10mm bolts. Don't forget to Loctite those, okay? You know, I'd like to thank Justin Tao. This tool set is really, really working out. It's making things real accessible. Big shout out to Justin Tao.
You know, before this, we were scrounging for tools around here.
Yeah, I was using my work tools. He's got a full line of tools. I mean, Luch has got all the tools he needs up at Luch Mountain. But Luch Mountain is Luch Mountain. So down here with me, I just had my work tools, which is a little box, and that's what we were using, and he was bringing down what we were needing. Now that I got the toolbox here, and I also got this tool set from Justin Tao, I got easy access to grabbing everything I need. So big shout out to Justin Tao. Thank you, my brother.
You rock, Justin!
So back to putting this beast together. Make sure that you line your spline.
Before you dine.
That's pretty neat. And then you gotta line up your cotter pin, people. Try something for that. Line up your pin
Before you get it in.
before you stick it in. That's right, people. Make sure you line up your pin before you stick it in. This may make for a brand new Luch cycle, Captain Luch America cycle. I could see me riding this around on many adventures. representing my buddy Spidey.
They do have a blue webbed edition. They do have a black webbed edition. They also have
Wow.
a pink webbed edition.
For you, the little Spidey lass in your life. So, as not to get too close to my heterosexual life partner here, I'm going to start on the battery before putting on that tire, because I don't want to get that close to him, especially not on camera. So, you see, you peel back the safety foil, okay? And now that safety foil can be discarded. All right, so now we can get to our healthy electrolytes. And of course, all we got to do is line up the holes, and you gotta line up the hole, people. And there you have it. It goes right in. Make sure you recycle. Now, once all of our electrolytes are drank down, we now have a healthy battery. Make sure you discard, people. Don't drink this. It's not real electrolytes. Well, it is real electrolytes. It's not for you.
Yeah, no, it's not. Do not drink that.
Then we can seal up our battery, and you have a perfectly sealed battery that is 100% charged. And look, it's even got the yin-yang symbol on it. How's your yin-yang?
Okay, so now we got the back rack on.
You know, my cousin, El Lucicabre, warned me that working with you would be very difficult. Boy, he wasn't kidding. Our little dust covers are on there, people. Okay, can I put the back wheel on now?
You sure can.
Awesome, because I didn't want to get in your way or nothing.
Oh, no problem. Hi, Bucky.
Now, people, the back wheels do have arrows on them. Like most of these tires, they are directional. Make sure the arrow is facing forward as your direction of rotation. So, slide it on the spline, and now you're mine.
And then it'll fit just fine.
There's that. And, oh, jeez. Oh, man. I'm an old Luch. You know that? All right. There you have it. Put our back cap on. Our back cap. There you have it. Good to go. Sounds like someone's hungry in there. I think they want a piece of me.
Yeah.
That's why I'm out here, people. And the big horse, the barking horse that you hear, is in there. All right. Let's go on.
Okay, so now we got the handlebars.
The handlebars.
And then
And the battery.
The battery. So what we're going to do is pop the seat off and make sure that we
Unwrap your seat so you can seat your meat.
Yep. And Luch will be the one seating his meat here.
I'm still going to need a step ladder for this one. But, hey, it's going to work out.
Now, would you like me to hold the bars for you?
Sure, that'd be neat.
You already got the Loctite on there?
Yes, sir.
Now, this has a remote start and shut off as well.
So if you want to mess with your little ones, you can keep the remote with you as they ride or try to ride.
And it also has the safety harness that you can clip to them. If they go to fall off, then it'll automatically shut off the bike. And we'll show you guys that in a minute.
Wow. Sorry about that, Spidey.
It's okay, you can take it.
The cold? Or
No,
Spidey?
Spidey.
I could take Spidey, I think.
Yeah, I think you can.
I think I could take Spidey.
If not, definitely
Bucky could take Spidey.
Big shout out to Bucky.
What's up, Bucky? You rock! He agrees.
Yeah.
All right.
I'm going to bring the bars back here, and Luch is going to adjust them accordingly.
Looks about lined up, huh?
Looks about lined up to me.
This is a very simple build, people.
Yeah, it's solid.
Doesn't need a strap
On.
on it. Underneath.
Red.
Are you positive?
Yes. Okay.
Are you negative?
So Luch is going to connect the battery.
I am?
Yes, you are.
I'm scared of electricity.
And then we'll get right back to you guys, okay? All right, guys. So we took the liberty to put the battery in. You guys seen it, positive, negative. We put some gas in it. We're gonna go ahead and get this thing started real quick, and just give it a quick start.
Quick start.
And see what she does. Let's go ahead and start it up, shall we?
We shall.
Want to get on it real quick, Lucci?
Not on the rack.
Let's set it down.
All right.
Wow, this thing's bigger than I thought. I'll still need a step ladder to get on it. Wow. Hold up. Wait a minute.
Let us put some luch up on it.
Wow. Look at that. Even I'm going to eat my knees.
Yep. Okay, so go ahead and give it a start, Luch. Let's turn on
All
the
right.
key.
Turn on the key. Key's on. And then we'll fully automatic. You
Yeah.
don't got to do nothing.
Yeah, that's the thing with this unit. It is a fully automatic unit. There
It's
isn't
a
any
gas and
remote.
go.
It's gas and go. So the one cool thing about it is it does like the Cheetah and the other mid-sized vehicles. It does have a shut off, so you can shut it off.
Oh, it's just going to go.
But it doesn't have a restart. They have to restart it themselves. You scold them, everything like that. Don't do it, Lucci. Don't do it, Lucci. Don't do it.
I'm going to do it.
Okay, well, remember, I have this, okay?
I can't do it now.
Go ahead and start it and go ahead and go on. So go ahead.
Off we go.
And there you go. Can't back up now, can you?
No.
And this is your part.
This is my reverse.
There you go. On your mark.
Wow.
Okay, so we're going to shut this off. Well, let's get it back over here. And we're going to shut this off.
Oh, I was on the gas too.
The one cool thing you can do about it is you can go ahead and hold that button. And now, go ahead and try to start it. And it'll shut off on it. So they're not going to be able to restart it.
I can't play no more.
All right? So go ahead and shut off the key, Lucci.
Okay.
All right? So, there you have it. There's the Spider-Man edition Tao Tao Boulder 110.
Dedicated to our second favorite superhero besides me,
Besides Captain
Luce
America.
America.
So anyways, guys, want to thank you guys for watching. And, go ahead and keep an eye out. We got some more content coming your way. What do you think there, Captain Luce America?
I think you guys are going to be busy for a long time to come.
Yeah.
And you guys are going to be entertained
Yep.
for a long time to come.
So keep your eye out. We're going to have some more stuff.
At least you're one good eye.
Yep. Thanks for watching.
You guys rock.
Peace.
Threes. He's going to hit me, isn't he?
No, you're Captain Luce America on Spider-Man.
Hey, I'm Captain Luce America on Spider-Man.
Come on, let me have that go.
This is Captain Luce
You know,
America.
people say
This is Captain Luce America on Spider-Man.
that this is a phony beard.